Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Costco app for gas. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Costco membership. How do you actually go ahead and use the Costco app to pay for gas? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on and install the Costco app so that your homepage looks like this. Now, when you arrive at the gas station, there should be a scanner that will scan your QR code. So, in order to pull up your QR code, click on account, and then it can scan this QR code on the top right hand corner. So, if you click on tap to enlarge, you'll see that it makes it larger. Hold this QR code up against the scanner and it should scan your Costco card. Now, if it's not working, you can always ask the attendant at the station to go ahead and scan their QR code as well if you want to go ahead and do that. Once you scan your membership, all you've got to do is input your credit or debit card and then go ahead and select the gas that you want. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Costco app for gas. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.